Hey coders, welcome to the Java interview program session with Code Cracker. So in the last session, we learn about Armstrong number, what is Armstrong number and how to find whether a number is Armstrong or not. So in this session, we are going to know about Fibonacci series. What is a Fibonacci series? Sometimes interviewers ask about Fibonacci series, whether I want a series from this number to that number. Okay, so it is basically a series in which the sum of first two numbers is a third number always. If the first series is starting from 0, then first number will be 0, then second number will be 1, and the third number will be 0 plus 1, 1. That will be the third number, and fourth number will be 1 plus 1, 2. Means the series will be 0 1 1 2. So let's see how to obtain this series. So first thing, we have to create a Java program. In this program, I'm naming this program as Fibonacci series. Okay, and I want void main in it. So let's see how to obtain a Fibonacci series. First I'm taking integer. We require 3 integers for this. Private int, you can take any number of any name for the integer. I'm taking a value 0, then I'm taking another integer named b as value 0 again, and the third integer will be valued 1. I will show you why we require these 3 integers in this program. Now I'm taking one method over here, so we are calling this program by a method. Okay, public void, and let's say check method. Okay, check method. Sorry, mistakes happens. Okay, then in this we require one for loop to iterate many times. Okay, because if we want the series of 10 numbers, then we have to iterate 10 times. So we required for loop for that. So I'm taking one for loop in it, int I. I'm taking I and starting it from 1. Then I is less than equal to 10, because we want 10 numbers. Okay, series of 10 numbers. I plus plus. I hope you know how for loop works. It is basically you have to initialize first variable, then this is a limiter, means you tell your program when to exit a for loop, and then you increment it this variable after each iteration. Okay, in this for loop we are going to swap some variables which we have initialized before here. Okay, so I'm putting a value of b inside a. Okay, value of b inside a for this first iteration. Then I'm putting value of c inside b. Okay, I will explain what this does and why I am doing this after I finish this program. Okay, then we want to add the first two numbers, then obtain third number. Okay, for that we need to add a and b, and we have to store it inside c. Okay, after this I'm simply printing. Okay, I'm simply printing the value of A. Okay, so yeah, this is our logic for Fibonacci series. This much of logic is enough to obtain our Fibonacci series. So now we have to call this function. So in order to call this function, we have to first create the object of Fibonacci class. Okay, f is equals to new Fibonacci. Then by using this f variable, we can call any number of methods inside the class. Okay, so let's save this program and run it. Let's see whether it takes output or not. It is getting output, but it is in showing us output in terms of every line. Means I don't want it on each line, or I don't want any digit on each line. I want it serially. So basically I have to delete this ln. This ln initiates that after printing this after printing this for first time, you will enter into the next line. Okay, so after deleting this ln, we have to save and again run this program. Yeah, we obtain the output as we wanted. So basically let's see basically what is happening here. First the value of a, which we have 0, okay, and value of b, which we have 0, and value of c, which we have 1. Okay, so in this for loop, what we are doing, when the I is 1, the value of this b goes into a. Okay, and we are here printing a. Okay, so we obtain 0 over here, and then we are putting this value of c inside b. Means now the value of b becomes 1. Okay, so this is critical to understand, but you, when you do practice, it gets very easy to understand. Okay, so basically after this, putting the value of c inside b, we are adding the value of a and b. The initial value of a, the value of a after swapping will be 0, and value of b after swapping will be 1. So we are adding 0 plus 1 equals to 1 and storing the result inside c. So the new value of a, b and c will be 0, 1 and 1 only. Okay, and the next time the iterations happens, the value of b, which was 1, will be stored inside a, and we are printing this a, so we get 1 over here, and the value of c, which is 1, will be putting inside b, and the addition of a plus b, which will be 1 plus 1, 2, will be stored in c. The next time onwards, the next time onwards 2, 3 and 5. This is how we obtain Fibonacci series. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to put this more videos on YouTube, so that you will learn how to perform some basic programs, and how to crack the interview. It will get very easy for you to crack the interview when you practice those programs continuously. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for my videos. If you want direct access to my videos, please subscribe it. Thank you.